Got him early. You guys see the title, you see the thumbnail. Let's get into this fire unboxing. So I picked up 2 pairs of early Jordans here on the channel. I have to give a huge shout out over to Chicago Imperium. Check out his Instagram. Make sure you guys give him a follow. He has early sneakers, amazing prices, the best prices around. And make sure you guys DM him, tell him Danny Moore sent you. Hey, trust me, check out Chicago Imperium if you guys need some early heat. Right here we have 2 early sneakers. One of these dropped this Saturday. The other sneaker doesn't release, I believe, till next month during All-Star break. So I'm very excited to get into these. Let's take a look at both of these Air Jordans. Let's pull them out the box and let's see what we got. So we're gonna start off with this Saturday's release, and then we'll get into the pair that drops next month during All-Star break. So right here we have a Jordan 1 box, white and blue box, a nice switch up of the box. And right here we have my size 11. These I'm interested in seeing because pictures made me believe that these looked like the Mocha ones. However, now later on, actually people getting them in hand, seeing more up close shots, I don't think they look like the Mochas at all. Yeah, in person, definitely not. But hey, these are really clean. Something new, a little out there with the blue, but I like it, man. I like it. And you got the gray suede nubuck material here on the back. I mess with it. I think it's a good pair of Jordan 1s. These are clean. Will they sell out? That's the big question, because if you guys take a look at resale right now, a few days before release, they're going for a few dollars over retail. Retail is $180. They're going for like $190, $195. Not much over at all, which means there's not going to be resale on this sneaker. It's a good personal comp only. I'm not expecting them to have any resale. Bigger sizes, if anything. It's a dope pair of Jordan 1s. Quality, I must say, is very nice. This leather that's used around the toe with the white and the blue, very nice. Very nice, soft leather. I like the material. I think it's very, very soft, especially the midsection there on the white. Very, very soft. Now, this gray on the back, this nubuck, Durabuck material here on the back, suede on the back, it's very, very short, and it's very smooth, and it is gray, and I like the way it contrasts with the blue and the white. I think it's a really good shoe. It's a very nice pair of Jordan 1s. A good way to start off the year, and right here we do have that beautiful Nike Air on the tongue. Blue sock liner, and we do have some extra laces. It looks like Jordan Brand has done away with the plastic, and now we get cardboard. We got some white laces as well, which I think personally I prefer the white laces on these instead of the blue. I like to match the tongue most of the time, so I think the white would really do nice. Now these are very clean. Resale's not going to be hot, so hey, if you need them, if you want them, it's a good personal comp only. I do recommend going true to size, like all Jordan 1s usually do fit. It's a clean pair of Jordan 1s. I'm excited for these to release on Saturday. I think they will sell out on Sneakers app. It'll be a slow sellout, an easy cop for most. So I don't think it'll be too hard to cop these if you truly do want them and put in the footwork. I think it'll be a nice, easy cop for you for retail. It's a nice pair of Jordan 1s. Over time, I expect prices to drop below retail. So it is a nice Jordan 1 at the end of the day. Quality is nice, leather is nice, very, very soft. And the blue, the gray, something different, a little unique here on a Jordan 1. It did look like the Mochas, but nah, not anymore, man. Not after having them in hand. Definitely not the Mocha 1s, but a very clean pair of Jordan 1s here nonetheless. Drop this Saturday. Let me know down below in the comments, are you guys picking these up? Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel because I will have a full video going more in depth about these right here before they drop on Saturday. These are fire. Very nice pair of Jordan 1s. Now let's get into this next pair of Jordans that drop in February. These are a must cop, a classic, an iconic sneaker. I'm hyped they brought these back. New free giveaway for the Lost and Found Jordan 1s. Like this video, smash that subscribe button, leave a comment. Let me know your size in the Lost and Found Air Jordan 1. Follow me on Instagram, Danny Moore 2369. Follow Sneaker Ease on Instagram. His link is down below in the description. And then DM me proof Danny Moore 2369. Send me proof that you did everything. Good luck. This giveaway ends at the end of January. We're picking the winner in the beginning of February. So make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in for a free pair of Lost and Founds. And please make sure you guys subscribe. We're on the road to 100,000 subscribers. Now these, I am so happy they're bringing these classic Air Jordans back. These are a must-have. These last released back in 2011. It's been over a decade since we've had this release. I am so happy they're bringing these back. You guys have no idea. These release in February, next month, during All-Star Weekend. This is one of the highlights of the All-Star Weekend, so I'm very ecstatic for these. These were a must-cop. I had to buy these now from Chicago Imperium. These are definitely a must-have. I definitely got my size. I am thrilled to own these. These are crazy. We have to take a look at this must-cop. I do think these will sell out. Resale won't be crazy high because of the model, but it will have a little bit of resale. These are a classic sneaker, man. These are a must-have. A lot of OG heads are going to go back and cop these when they drop. A lot of new sneakerheads are going to want these as well because they've never had the chance to actually own these. It's been 10 years, over 10 years since we last got the Air Jordan 13 Playoff. And I must say, these are fire, straight fire. So happy to own the Playoff 13s, finally. I have had the 2011 pair several times, but I never kept it. These are the 2023 Playoff Air Jordan 13s. These are a classic, iconic sneaker, an OG colorway. Do your homework, do your research. You'll learn about the Playoff 13s. It's the Playoff 13. Guys, Jordan did a lot in the Playoff 13s. During the playoffs, of course. This is a great pair of sneakers. Iconic, classic, and definitely going to sell out. Be on the lookout for these Playoff 13s. These are going to sell out. These release on February 18th. Retail is $210. These are very, very nice. The leather quality is very, very nice on this sneaker. You can see the tumbleness in the leather. Very, very nice throughout the toe as well. Very nice tumbled materials here. And then this felt nubuck material. Very, very soft. I always love the hologram on the Air Jordan 13. Something very, very nice, man. These are clean, iconic, classic sneakers. And you know that bottom is fire. With the carbon fiber, you do have the Jumpman logo. These are just some really nice, iconic, classic, OG Air Jordan 13s that you know a lot of people want. I need to give a big thank you to Nike and Jordan Brand for bringing back the Playoff 13s. It's been over a decade, and I'm very, very, very happy they brought back the Playoff 13s. These are one of my most anticipated Jordan releases of this entire year so far. They've been killing it when it comes to these releases. I'm hyped for 2023. Thank you, Jordan Brand, bringing these back. Now actually bring back the Cherry 12. Like the rumors are saying, they're bringing back the Cherry 12s. This is a good sign that they may actually do it. They're bringing back the nice, iconic, classic OG Jordans, and I'm all here for it. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the Moore family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.